This 1942 Plymouth two-door coupe, priced at $13,900 in Ruskin, Florida, is a rare gem. One of the few surviving examples of a vehicle halted in production due to the war effort. With its sleek maroon exterior and tan leather interior, this coupe is powered by a Chevy 350 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. It features power steering, brakes, windows, and air conditioning. Though the AC isn't currently working, the body is mostly solid, with a few typical rust spots and minor chrome issues. The car rides smooth, has a mild cam, and boasts a great exhaust sound. Though the odometer reads 900 miles, the true mileage remains unknown, and some wiring needs attention. A partially restored classic, with Mustang II front-end suspension, adjustable coilover shocks, and new chrome Krager wheels, it's a perfect project for someone who enjoys working on street rods. With minor adjustments needed, this Plymouth offers great potential for restoration, making it a solid investment for a classic car enthusiast. Check out the link in the description for more details and pictures. Take a trip back in time with this stunning 1946 Ford Super Deluxe, a true piece of automotive history that blends classic charm with modern performance. Priced at $15,000, this beauty features a 1968 Chevy 307 V8 crate motor that gives it a bold rumble, coupled with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The exterior, bathed in bamboo beige, is in very good condition, and the interior, restored to its original glory, with tan-cloth seats, adds a touch of vintage elegance. It's equipped with power steering, power brakes with front discs and rear drums, and classic instruments for that nostalgic feel. The spacious trunk includes a spare tire and a quick disconnect battery for safe storage. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a project to show off, this Ford is ready to take you wherever you want to go. A clean ride with everything working perfectly. Is it worth it? Absolutely. This is a fantastic investment that combines style and performance. And with its running engine and condition, it's the perfect entry point for anyone who loves classic cars. Want to see more? Check out the link in the description for additional photos and details. This stunning 1947 Ford four-door sedan, lovingly restored in 1986, is a true gem. With its striking red exterior and custom gray interior, this beauty is powered by a custom 302 V8 engine taken from a 1980 Ford Crown Victoria. The car runs smoothly with a clear title and a fantastic condition, boasting polished chrome trim and those iconic suicide doors. The original chassis is rust-free, while the interior features custom touches like leather-wrapped seats and aftermarket gauges. The 15-inch aluminum wheels and front-rear drum brakes complement its vintage charm. While the speedometer is not working and vintage air hasn't been installed yet, the engine runs like a dream, and the car is ready for any classic car enthusiast. At $19,000, this vehicle offers not just a ride, but a piece of automotive history. Perfect for shows, weekend drives, or as a restoration project. For more details and to see this car in all its glory, check the link in the description. Step into a piece of automotive history with this remarkable 1947 Ford sedan delivery, offered at an inviting price of $9,500. Located in the vibrant city of Los Angeles, California, this vehicle has a striking orange exterior, paired with a classic tan interior, making it a real head-turner. It's powered by a robust 327 Chevrolet V8 engine, seamlessly mated to an automatic TH350 transmission and boasts low mileage with only 62,005 on the odometer. While it runs well, the engine could benefit from a tune-up to reach its full potential. The clear title ensures peace of mind as you consider ownership. Though the interior may need some love, the dash shines with its distinctive 1940s Art Deco flair, representing the distinctive character of that era. The frame remains solid and intact, providing a strong foundation for your dreams of restoration. Despite the missing components and the need for some adjustments, this sedan delivery is an excellent project for any classic car enthusiast. This vehicle was once intended as a father-son project, so it carries a story waiting to unfold in the right hands. With potential for customization, it's a canvas for creativity. So why wait? Dive into this opportunity and check the link in the description for more details and photos. It's a worthy investment and a fantastic find for restoration enthusiasts. Step back in time with this beautifully restored 1946 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Finished in its original maroon, this classic beauty has been meticulously cared for over the years, with re-chromed brightwork and polished stainless steel trim. Under the hood, it retains its original straight-six engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission for that authentic driving experience. This car has won multiple awards, including Best Mopar at the Pumpkin Run Nationals in 2023 and 2024, showcasing its quality and craftsmanship. With 71,000 miles on the odometer, this is a vehicle that has been well maintained, though it still reflects the manual, vintage driving style of its era. No power steering or brakes here. Perfect for car enthusiasts who appreciate the raw charm of post-war vehicles. Is this the perfect addition to your collection? Take a closer look at the link in the description for more photos and details. At this price, it's more than just a car. It's a piece of history worth owning and restoring. Step back in time with this incredible 1943 Jeep Willys, a true piece of automotive history, priced at just $12,500. Located in the picturesque Red Bluff, California, this charming vehicle features a powerful Buick 231 V6 engine, paired with a smooth TH350 automatic transmission, ensuring you can tackle any terrain with ease. With an odometer reading of 0, this Jeep is ready to write its next chapter with you. It boasts a clear title and is in good exterior condition, flaunting a striking white color that complements the gray cloth interior. Equipped with power steering and power brakes, this Jeep not only looks fantastic, but drives wonderfully too, making it perfect for the enthusiast craving adventure. The new 33-inch Hankook tires will provide you plenty of grip, whether you're heading off-road or cruising through town. With iconic styling and a reliable running condition, this Jeep represents a fantastic investment. Don't miss out on owning a legendary piece of American history. Check out the link in the description for more information and photos to see if this is the perfect ride for you. Here's a classic 1947 Cadillac Series 62, waiting to be brought back to life. With its striking burgundy exterior and original blue cloth interior, this car is a project car that could be a true gem once restored. Powered by a V8 flat-top engine, the drivetrain is mostly intact, but the engine currently isn't running. While the chrome, trim parts, badges, and mirrors are mostly all there, it does need some attention, including new floor pans and quarter panel repairs. This car has character. Its history and design are begging for someone with a vision to take it on. With the title in hand and a price tag of just $1,400, this Cadillac Series 62 could be your next great restoration project. Are you ready to breathe new life into this classic? Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Step back in time with this 1947 Ford Super Deluxe, a true post-war icon that carries the timeless charm of vintage Americana. Priced at just $12,500, this classic brown beauty with its tan interior is located in West Point, Kentucky, and features a smooth-running flathead V8 rebuilt by Jasper, paired with a crisp 3-speed manual on the column. With only 123,456 miles, this Ford remains impressively solid. No major rust, new brakes and lines, a fresh radiator, and gleaming stainless trim that still shines with pride. The new bumpers and dependable tires complete its authentic presence, making it not just a car, but a preserved piece of history that still runs and drives beautifully. For the classic car enthusiast or restorer, this Super Deluxe offers excellent value and remarkable potential for its price. Take a closer look and see more photos in the description below. This may just be the vintage investment you've been waiting for. Introducing a stunning piece of automotive history, the 1948 Chevrolet 4-door sedan, now available for just $17,500 in Great Falls, Montana. This classic beauty boasts a powerful 350 engine paired with a reliable automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth ride as you turn heads wherever you go. With 0 miles on the odometer since its update, this sedan embraces its legacy, sporting a straight body with a touch of surface rust that only adds to its character. The muted maroon exterior and complementary maroon and gray interior provide a timeless vibe, further enhanced by custom wheels and shaved door handles for a modern flair. While it does need a fresh coat of paint, the car runs and drives well, offering a fantastic platform for restoration enthusiasts or collectors alike. For a classic car enthusiast, this represents an excellent opportunity not just to own a piece of history, but also to craft your story behind the wheel. Don't miss out on this treasure. Check the link in the description for more information and pictures to fully appreciate the charm of this Chevrolet sedan. Here's a rare gem for any vintage truck enthusiast, a 1941 Ford half-ton pickup, a project vehicle that's more than halfway restored and ready for its next owner to bring it to life. This truck comes with a $17,000 powder-coated frame, adjustable coil-over suspension, and a GM 7.5-inch rear end with a 373:1 gear ratio. Along with new body panels and custom mounts for an LS engine. The metalwork is complete and it's rust-free, with no dents, just waiting for your finishing touch. Located in Hiram, Utah, and offered at $10,000 OBO, it includes rare parts like 1941 only waterfall hood ornaments and steel pickup beds that need a little TLC. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with a solid foundation for restoration. With so much of the hard work already done, this project is an excellent investment for those looking to own a classic with potential for great value. Check out the link in the description for more information and photos.